Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can mute messages on Discord. So I've shown you how you can mute servers, but this is how you can mute like friends and messages. So go to direct messages and click for a very long time on the person you want to mute. Press mute channel, and then you can mute this conversation for 15 minutes, an hour, 3 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, and even until you turn it back on. And sometimes I just like to choose the until I turn it back on, and as you can see, the name will sort of like be faded a little bit, and that's when you know you've muted that person. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!